Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create and utilize project portfolios in your account on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to GanttPro, log into your account and start by clicking into this button, that plus button in the top left. But instead of selecting create new project, choose the option below, create project portfolio. Now, what have these portfolios, project portfolios, been designed for? Let me click into create here and provide you with an explanation. So guys, these portfolios will allow you to, for example, organize your projects and to compare them, for example, between each other. For instance, your progress within the given project, and yeah, to keep them organized under one portfolio. So start by giving your portfolio a name here in the top left. Going to name it my portfolio. You may also bookmark it if you like. And then you may create new projects and add them to your list. Or if you'd like to access your portfolios, guys, you may simply click into, let me find it here really quickly, here to the left, portfolios, under the project tab. And here you will see your created portfolios. You can create a new one or simply use that plus button here and access your portfolio, and after that, for example, add projects to them by clicking into this button. Use the search bar here, look for project within your account and add it to your portfolio. And here, as previously mentioned, guys, you can, for example, compare your projects within a portfolio. You will see the progress bar for one project, for the other one, other key fields like the start date, the end date, the project owner, the status, and that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.